legend has it that there is a tool out there that will make bolts and nuts cry just by sitting next to them. It took me breaking a breaker bar, spending one full day to undo 8 bolts, to actually see the light and consider buying an impact gun, and that impact gun of choice that might get those bolts to cry is the DeWALT DCF900, one of the most capable 1/2 inch impact units that you can get on the market. It is a unit that is able to generate 1,396 Newton meters and 1,898 Newton meters. Okay, one is for tightening up, the other one is for the breakaway. These are the official figures, but we don't always trust the manufacturers, and we do some research to see the actual values. So based on the testing that the guys from Torque Test channel have done, this unit is capable of generating 1,230 Newton meters and 1,125 Newton meters for the breakaway. Why would someone in his right mind want those figures for working on a vehicle when you don't have any bolts on a vehicle that are tightened up to those values? Well, my view on this topic is as follows. Realistically, you will not be able to use an impact, or you will not be able to get an impact always as close as you would want to a bolt, because you're not able to get the impact as close to the bolt as you want. You will be using some accessories which look like this. This is a universal floppy swivel adapter, and you will need some extension bars. Whenever using these types of accessories, you are losing up to 50% of the torque that your impact is outputting, and you will be getting next to your bolt, guess what? Half of it. So that half of my 1,125, it's 600-ish, which is still a respectable value for opening up or for breaking up absolutely any bolt. So rather than having my money spent on a very compact unit that usually is very expensive, I prefer having a unit that is rugged, tested, industry standard, and getting the accessories that allow me to get the values, the torque from this unit to the bolt quite easily and quite comfortably. Now, that is my use scenario, that is my use case. Let's describe a little bit what this unit is. And usually when you're searching for something like this, you will see that it is a high torque impact gun. It is something that has 3.5 kilograms, 2.9 the bare unit, 0.6 the battery. You add the socket, you're at 3.5 kilograms. In the beginning, when you're holding it in your hand, it feels light, but after 20-30 minutes of use, you will not consider it as being light anymore. So when you're doing a purchase, consider how much time you need to keep it in your hand and how much time you need to use it. In my case, because I'm using it just for those stubborn bolts, it's a very good purchase and it's a very good decision. If you need to use it constantly, you might consider a different one. Okay, weight, modes, quite a fancy setup. The electronics are amazing. You are getting 4 modes, a precision mode that has some wizardry. It ensures that you are able to catch the thread, and after that, it gives you the full value. You have a setting that is limited at 135 Newton meters. You have another one limited at 830 and another one limited at 1,396, the maximum values. With all of those settings, keep in mind that the breakaway torque is not limited. So in all of those modes, you are getting the maximum, I would say 1,125 Newton meters breakaway torque. So make sure that your socket is sitting properly on your bolt and nut, because this unit doesn't take any prisoners. We discussed what the unit is capable of doing. we need to make sure that we consider the purchase of the right accessories. As I was telling you, this unit is heavy, is big, and will not allow you to get it in all of the places that you might want to get it in. Although, just to mention it, although it is heavy and big, you will see that it's quite forgiving and quite gentle when you want it to be gentle. So it's not a brutal tool. However, you will need to get high quality accessories, and you will need to get some accessories that are able to take the beating. I've just used these sockets for a few times, and I'm able to see a little bit of rounding up from the use. So make sure that you're getting industrial grade units to make sure that you're able to reach the balls that you want to reach, and also that your tools will withstand that stress. Another thing that I would say that you want to consider is wearing ear protection. These units will generate quite a lot of noise for a short period of time, and that noise, it's something that our ears are not really liking it, and the values are quite high. Okay, we discussed the units. Now let's discuss a bit of the pricing and where to buy them. My favorite go-to place for buying such things, such tools, is eBay. It is eBay because you will have a bigger variety of sellers that have different offers. So you might just buy the bare unit, you might buy after that the battery, or you might want to buy the system as a pack with 2 batteries, a charger, and the unit. Amazon from time to time also features some deals. I will place some links in the description for both options, so eBay and Amazon. Shop the offer or shop in the place that makes best sense for you. Also consider making the purchase of the accessories, because the unit itself is hard to use without the other tools. Recently, I've used this impact on the Honda Accord, which has lots of rusted bolts and lots of stubborn things not wanting to get undone. It was able to undo all of those ones without breaking a sweat and without even showing the battery as being used. Now, I hope that this insight or these informations are helping you decide what is the best tool for you. If you have any information that you want to share, your experience of using such a tool will be greatly appreciated. Me having such a thing is allowing me not to fear bolts anymore. So in the past, I was looking at drive shaft bolts and I was fearing those ones, differential bolts, or all sorts of other rusted suspension or undercarriage bolts. Knowing that I have this tool in my toolbox makes me smile and look forward to undoing those types of bolts. As I was saying, if you have ideas for future videos, or if you want to work with me, get in touch using our social media or our website. This is all for this video, and hopefully I'm going to see you in the next one.